Web Shipbroker, shipping education on the web. Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the defenses of inevitable accident and agony of the moment in the context of shipping law. Shipping is a vital part of global trade and commerce, but with the movement of large vessels comes the potential for accidents and collisions. Under international maritime law, a ship's captain has a legal duty to exercise reasonable care and to take necessary precautions to avoid collisions. In the event of a collision, the defenses of inevitable accident and agony of the moment may be raised. The defense of inevitable accident asserts that the accident was not the result of negligence or wrongdoing on the part of the ship's captain or crew, but rather an unforeseeable and unavoidable event. This defense can be difficult to prove, as the burden of proof is on the individual raising the defense to show that they took all reasonable precautions to prevent the accident and that the accident was not caused by any negligence or wrongdoing on their part. The agony of the moment defense is less commonly used in shipping law, as the actions of the ship's captain and crew are often subject to strict regulations and protocols. However, it may be used in cases where the collision was the result of a sudden and unexpected event, such as a mechanical failure or severe weather, that placed the ship's captain and crew in a state of intense stress or fear. International maritime law also provides for the defense of force majeure, which is similar to the inevitable accident defense, and it may be raised in cases of collisions as well. The defense of force majeure is based on the idea that the accident was caused by an unforeseeable and unavoidable event, such as a natural disaster or act of war, which made it impossible for the ship's captain and crew to take reasonable precautions to prevent the accident. It's important to note that these defenses are not a guarantee of acquittal and are evaluated on a case-by-case basis, and that these defenses will be evaluated based on the rules and regulations of the jurisdiction where the incident took place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal information and analysis.